The Chinese military shows the new hypersonic combat unmanned aerial vehicle WUZ-HEN-8 at an air show in the city of Changdong. The WUZ-HEN-8 appears to have similarities with the D-21, an unmanned aircraft whose flight plans are programmed into the United States guidance system. The WUZ-HEN-8, also known as WZ-8, has been in development in China for several years as a vehicle for reconnaissance and destruction of enemy equipment, but so far China has not reported any practical applications. The prototype was about the size of a small fighter plane and had one fixed wing and a retractable undercarriage. On the back are two jet engine nozzles. According to the developer, the drone can reach speeds of over Mach 3, about 3,700 km/h depending on altitude, and outrun most air defense missiles. If necessary, drones can turn into kamikaze missiles to destroy warplanes or ships. The stated range of the aircraft is more than 8,000 kilometers. Ahead of the hull, analysts see two projections: the possibility of transporting the WZ-8 with the help of the H-6N strategic bomber.